आम्ही टोटली आमचे आता 45 सगळे 5 म्हणजे टोटल 50 ॲम्ब्युलन्सेस 45 ॲडव्हान्स लाईफ सेव्हिंग सिस्टम आणि 5 कार्डियक आणि त्याच्या बाहेर आता काही जुने 35 बाईक्स आमच्याकडे हा त्याच्या बाहेर आम्ही आता 3 हर्स व्हॅन्स वी आर ट्राईंग टू चेंज द रिसंट वन्स दॅट वी हॅव गॉट बॅक into the hearse van so that people don't have to spend that money there. You know, a lot of people get exploited at Goa Medical College because of these private services that are available. So this will be free of charge under 108. Okay, so that's the thing that we are doing. And drop back vehicles also we have got sanctioned for women and child, which will be placed under 108. So all the ladies after delivery will have this Artiga vehicle. So that will be used actually. I think 4 or something we are saying. 6 we have asked. So they will be, earlier they used to be taken in the ambulance home. Now they'll be taken in the Artiga vehicle home. So this is how we are moving forward. These will be all deployed now to different, right, from Kurtori to different places. I think I got the location.
Sangem, Kuturem,
Yeah, Sangem.
Kasarpal.
Wherever the requirement was, it has been.
Wherever the old ambulances were, the BLS.
Yeah, one is in Kasauli, Shiroda, Kasarpal, Sanghe, Diwar, Netravali, Honda, Mandre, Kurtori. One is standby.
One in each.
So this GMC has missed out on this PG.
I already, that's why we have taken action against the dean, right?
But still, any effort will be.
I have already, I am in constant touch with the thing, but there's a Supreme Court order, so as a result of which we are finding a solution how to move forward. Dr. Bandekar will be sent to Delhi to pursue it. But I already talked to Spriti Sudan and Mr. JP Nadda and all, but there are certain rules, regulations, as a result of which how do we navigate.